like 125 floor of Burj Khalifa, and I'm very excited to go there. And let's go. At the waiting area, and we are soon going to 125 floor of Burj Khalifa, and I'm very excited from my bottom of the heart. So I will show you how it looks from the top of the Burj Khalifa, maybe 125 floor of Burj Khalifa. And I'm really happy. उधर से लाइट्स आ रही है हमारे पास. My God, I'm in the top of Burj Khalifa. So guys, now we enjoyed here and we saw the view. It was really great, and now it's time to go, but my heart is saying not to go, but we have to, so let's go. So we'll meet you in the next vlog. For next time I will meet you, and then bye.